let's check out what's come in from Hearts on Fiber for this month. So I'm always excited for Hearts on Fiber. They are a local yarn store located in North Carolina. And it says, we hope you fall for this spooky autumn colorway just like we have, the Hearts on Fiber team. So I'm excited. It comes all wrapped up. And I get them every month. So I hope it is a good... Oh, they sent us a stitch marker. That's cool. And this is really dark. But oh, so good. Look at the colors coming out in that. So that's the name of this one. Oops, there we go. It's October 2024, and I always get DK weight, which is 100% superwash merino, 240 yards. And that is beautiful. And I get mine with a stubby, which is half as much. It is DK weight, and it should tell us that the color is racetrack. And of course, it is 100% merino. And bring it around, and it is 50 grams, and it is half as much. So that is really pretty. I like that. That's nice. I will put these with the minis that I've been getting out of my Hearts on Fiber advent box. So I've been putting them in my McDonald's bucket. So I'll add these to the bucket somehow or another. I'm going to get that in there. And I will combine those together with my colors in my bucket. There they go. All those bright colors with the dark color, I think they're going to look really good. So that's awesome. And I did say I would show you the stitch marker, of course. And I am actually going to take it out of the little bag it comes in. And I can get a hold to it. It has a bald stitch marker on the end of it. So I guess you could use it for crochet that way. Otherwise, you could use it for knitting. And it is a skull and crossbones. That is so cool. I love, love, love that. That is definitely something I like. So that's awesome. I absolutely love that. Of course, the sticker on there always says thank you. So I like that. I love the yarn. So stay tuned. I'm going to have quite a few Halloween yarn boxes to open. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.